my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today's video is a speed clean with me. I set a timer for every single room and I told myself, okay, when the timer goes off, stop working, move on. I want to see if this method will work for me to maintain my house clean. Instead of waiting for it to get like super dirty or super, messy, I just want to kind of speed clean every day and hope that that helps me maintain all the rooms in my house. I hope that this motivates you guys. I hope that you watch this and then you go clean whatever it is that you're doing, or try the speed clean, guys. I'll let you know at the end how I feel it goes, and hopefully it goes well. Anyways, let's get to it.
Hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Tonight shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on a rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the
I wanted some new toothbrush holder and a soap dispenser, so I picked these up from Ross. They were $4. I got 2 of them.
They wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Moving on was never harder with knowledge of all the things I leave behind. I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone when nothing's like home.
So my timer went off right before I finished, but I decided to just go ahead and finish, and then I walked away.
I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Only days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. But I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. That you really want me, some kind of magic. You came into my life, and with that.
Okay guys, so I am starting to lose motivation. So I'm gonna put one of my friends' YouTube. Her name is Eva. Go check out her channel. She does amazing cleaning videos, and she does organization, all kind of stuff. So y'all go check her out. She just posted a video, so I'm going to turn it on and get motivated.
Tell you, you see it in my eyes. I wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart on the motor. So much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're driving on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah. I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you think you know.
Okay, so here's my kitchen. It's really not bad. Like, I'm actually proud of myself. For other people, this is bad, but for me, this is amazing. Like, I kept up with it. I only have a couple things in the sink, which makes me happy, and the living room just needs to be picked up. My kids were playing in it, so let's get to it.
I wanna hear you say that you only want me. Oh,
Okay, so you guys know that I like to give you guys songs that you can listen to get encouraged, and just have your life blessed a little extra. The song for today is Lion featuring Chris Brown, and it's by Elevation Worship. Such a beautiful song. My sister posted it on Instagram, and I went to go listen to it and completely fell in love. So go check it out.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I
My mother-in-law and father-in-law gave us this huge box of chocolate Twinkies. I have no clue what to do with them. I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know, give them to the kids in the neighborhood or something, but this cannot stay in my house because this is just dangerous.
Like the forbidden fruit, I'm still waiting for, I'm still wanting more. Yeah, I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, just give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change. Suddenly you're gone, always on the run, playing with my feelings and you do it just for fun. Hate the player in the game, boy to me they're all the same. But I'm ready, no, never ready. Yeah, met you at a coffee shop, had me a hello, what up? I wasn't ready, no, never ready. Yeah, like the forbidden fruit, I'm still waiting for, I'm still wanting more. Yeah, I know just what to do, but still I want all of you.
what's your deal? Do you ever wonder how I really feel? Every time you turn your back, I wish I was done with that. Many times I try to start all over. Oh babe, get my heart over. More than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change. Suddenly you're gone, always on the run, playing with my feelings, and you do it just for fun. You do it just for fun. Hey, you do it just for fun. Say what you wanna say to me. I don't need your sympathy, I just need to let you go. Heartache, 'cause what doesn't bend will break. What is keeping me awake is the fact that you moved on. So when I see you there with what's your name, and the memories come back to me, I just turn my back and put them all away. 'Cause that would be great. I'll move on, I'll be just fine. I'll let go. See my broken heart is beating, so tonight I will believe it. And I got this crazy feeling that someday I'll be okay.
So, I finished cleaning. I'm so beyond exhausted. I'm gonna take a 5-hour nap. No, I'm not, because then I can't sleep. Anyways, I feel good about the speed cleaning. You guys should definitely try it. I wasn't that strict on myself, I will say. It's very hard for me to fully like control myself and say, okay, stop. Like when it went off, I was literally in the middle of something and I was like, heck no, I'm not stopping. But it did work because I was like, okay, I'm already over my time. I just need to be quick. So, you know, and I was it felt like a game to me, like, oh, I'm speeding against time. I don't know. It's all mental. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I post. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.